Assalamu alaikum. It's Farhana, Miss from Oxbridge English School. Hi student, how are you? Hope all of you are doing good. Today I am taking my second class after a long vacation. Today I will discuss chapter 16.1, that is menstruation, and example 3. In the previous class I discussed about some formulas, the area of triangles. Okay, now today I discuss example 3 and 4. First let's start from 3. The length of the three sides of a triangle are 7 cm, 8 cm and 9 cm respectively. Find its area. That means we have the three sides of a triangle. We have to find the area of the triangle. Let's rewind the formulas. If we have three sides and find the area, the formula will be square root s into s minus a, s minus b and s minus c, where s is the semi-perimeter of half of the perimeter, whatever you say, and ABC is the length of the sides of the triangle. Let's start the solution of the math. Let the length of the three sides of the triangle are A equal to 7 cm, B equal to 8 cm and C equal to 9 cm. Let's find the semi-perimeter. I told you before semi-perimeter. What is semi-perimeter? And semi-perimeter we denote S equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. And let's put the value of ABC. 7 plus 8 plus 9 divided by 2. And the answer is 12 cm. That means S equal to 12 cm. Okay. Now find the area. We know area formula. Square root S into S minus A, S minus B into S minus C. Let's put the value. S equal to 12 and A equal to 7, and let's do the calculation. And after calculation we find the area 26.83 square centimeter. That is the answer. Okay, now let's start our second math, which is example 4. The area of an equilateral triangle increases by 3 root 3 square meter when the length of each side increases by 1 meter. Find the length of the side of the triangle. First thing, the question. They say if the length of each side increases by 1 meter, then the area of the equilateral side will be, the area of the equilateral triangle increases by 3 root 3 square meter. Okay, let's do the solution. Let the length of each side of the equilateral triangle is a meter. We know the area of the equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4a square. That means its area will be root 3 by 4a square. Now, if the length of each side increases by 1 meter, what happened? Then the side will be a plus 1 meter. Okay, let's figure. If this is a meter, if 1 meter increase, that means a plus 1 meter. Okay, now its area will be root 3 by 4 a plus 1 square meter. Now according to the question, root 3 by 4 a plus 1 whole square minus root 3 by 4 a square equal to what? That's 3 root 3. Okay, first divide root 3 from both sides, then root 3 will be vanish. That means 1 by 4 a plus 1 whole square minus 1 by 4 a square equal to 3. Okay, then do left hand side LCM. What happened? A plus 1 whole square minus a square by 4. Then cross multiply, that means 3 multiply 4 equal to 12. Then put the formula a plus b whole square, that means a square plus 2a plus 1 minus a square will be eliminated. Then we have 2a plus 1 equal to 12, and after calculation a equal to 5.5, and the required length of the triangle is 5.5 meter. Don't write here meter, okay, write here, okay. And that's all. This is for today. I think you can do 16.1 3, 4, 5. That is your homework. Let's do in your HW copy. After opening school, I will check this today. In the next class, we do another example. That's for all. Goodbye. Thank you.